What's up?
Hi. All right, so because this side had a few bolt holes that were actually good, which is amazing. I took and I aligned an exhaust manifold for an FE. We have random ones about. Bolted it into the good bolt holes, cranked it down. So I've been finishing our drilling for our Time-Serts. I'm actually going to switch from Time-Sert to Big-Sert because I didn't like how some of them were sitting and turning out. So I ordered a nice Big-Sert set. So it'll be beautiful. So I've already got this one drilled out and it's square. This one I'm starting, these had broken off ones still in it. So I'm drilling those straight and then we're going to go from there. So after I drill all these, you'll see me Time-Sert all of them. And then this side will be done. I'm going to go back to the other side and probably redo the Time-Serts on that side with Big-Serts. Just because I'm not liking how thin they are. And I actually had I was running bolts in and I actually had a few come loose. Just because there's not much meat. So, that's where we're at.
Sweet.
Oil dropping a little bit, but it's looking good. See, that one is nicely drilled now.
Mm-hmm.
That one I want to re-drill because that one got really wonky with the Time-Sert.
Cool. All right. Later.
All right, these two are done. They're ready to be countersunk and tapped. These two are getting drilled right now. And I'm starting to drill this one too. And then we can put in our Big-Serts.
How's it going?
Just drilling my life away.
It sounds about normal.
Yep. We're obviously going to be getting the vacuum out when we're done to clean everything. But we got to clean this whole engine too once it's done. So
Yeah.
not a big deal. But we are drilling nice and slow. I'm using a smaller bit first.
You don't want to go big or go home?
I will when I finish it off.
All right.
It takes time.
Yes, it does.
But doing it right takes time.
Get it right, hit it tight. Oh.
That's right.
All right. Well, I'm just checking on you. See how things are going. Looks good. You need a water?
Yes, please.
All right. Well, we'll get you guys another clip and a little bit later.
All right. That was a lot of work. But everything is drilled out to the size it needs to be for the Big-Serts. So I'm going to pull this exhaust manifold off. And then we are going to go in with the countersink all our holes, and then tap and taper. And we're going to install our Big-Serts. All right. Cleaned all of our holes. Now we got a counter bore. So we'll get the counter bore all done, and we'll begin tapping to install our Big-Serts. Right, now that we're done counter boring, I have our tap with our square, which will help keep this nice and straight. All right, first Big-Sert is seated. And we're using the install tool. We'll be running it down. Ooh, you can feel where it gets harder. That's what it does is it expands the insert. Running this in, and you go basically until it frees up again. There we go. And add one down, 4 more to go on this side, and then we're going to redo the other side. All right, that was a battle. Passenger side is complete with Big-Serts. Way better. I'm just gonna chase the threads of the 3 OEM holes that were good. And this side's done. Then go back to the driver's side and finish that up.